Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Kia K5 and we're going to do the tail light tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. The link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail lights. So the first step we're going to do is apply Slip Solution to the tail light. So Slip Solution contains baby shampoo and distilled water. So once you have it in your spray bottle, spray it onto your tail light. And this first step is to help remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. For example, like any wax or any ceramic coating on the tail lights. It helps remove it little by little. So make sure you clean the whole tail light. Also make sure to clean the surrounding area, since the tint may touch the paint when you're aligning it. So make sure everything is clean. So once you finish cleaning the tail light with Slip Solution, the next step is to apply Tack Solution. Tack Solution consists of isopropyl alcohol with distilled water. You can use 70 to 90% alcohol and mix it together and you'll have your solution. Spray it onto your clean towel. And what this does, it just helps eliminate any wax or any other contaminants that the Slip Solution could not remove. And it also helps the tail light in terms of helping the adhesive on the film bond more faster with the tail light. Okay, so we're going to start with the piece that covers this front face, and it covers this section of the tail light. So apply Slip Solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And the reason we're applying Slip Solution is to help move the film around and align it to where we need to align the film. So for example, this one, we're going to need to align it on the edge here. Make sure it follows here, bring it down if you need to, and you should have material that lines up on the top section as well. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee with one hand, hold the film, that way it doesn't move. And with the other hand, just start securing it and anchor it to this section here. And the reason why we need to secure this whole entire section here, at least up to here, is because we need to do a nice stretch in order for this section of the tint to reach it and cover the red color of the tail light here. So first focus on securing here. Remove any solution. Don't leave any bubbles. Make sure you do overlapping strokes. Okay, and if you try to move it, the film should stay anchored to this section since it was tacked down. So now we need to stretch the film to cover up to this section of the tail light. So lift the film carefully and apply Slip Solution underneath the film. So first, we're going to place our hand here, stretch it in order to remove these two big fingers here that you see. In order to have a good grip here, make sure this whole area is dry. That way your hand doesn't slip. So start from here and stretch the film. And you could use your other hand to help secure it up to here. The whole point is just to stretch it to help minimize the two fingers that we had here and here. Make sure it stays aligned on the bottom as well. Hold it in position. You're going to have to apply a good amount of pressure to hold it down here, and then with your squeegee, after you apply Tack Solution, start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure if you encounter this finger, make sure not to squeegee over it, because if you do, you might wrinkle the film. So try to break it down slowly. So let's secure this first. Since this is secured, it should not move. So now in order to remove these fingers, lift the film carefully again, apply Slip Solution, and stretch it one more time. And make sure you only lift it up to the edge here. Make sure this is dry, and stretch. Okay, hold it again in position. Apply Tack Solution, grab your squeegee, and tack it down. Make sure to remove any solution that's trapped underneath this section of the tail light, since it does curve inside. And if you do encounter, let's say, a small finger here, a good way to approach it is just applying Tack Solution, a little bit of heat, and then with your squeegee tacking it down. So first let's remove all of the solution before we seal the edges and remove the finger. So like I mentioned, to remove any fingers that you may encounter here or here, Just make sure you apply tack solution where those fingers are located. Grab your heat gun and apply heat evenly. Go a side to side motion. That way we spread the heat evenly and not focus too long on one area. Because if we do focus on one area for too long, we may burn the film. Once you finish applying heat, grab your microfiber towel and with your hand, just go and follow the design of this curve here. Apply just a little bit of pressure. That way we help tack down the film. And just repeat this process until you secure this edge here. Apply a little bit of heat. Use the low setting when applying heat with your heat gun or hair dryer. Let the film sit and use your microfiber towel. Hold in position, you should be good. Now before we move on to the next installation, we need to make sure we seal the entire edges of this tint, because the film that we're going to install on this section here overlaps a little bit on this edge here. So to seal the edges, apply tack solution, and we're going to use the low setting as well. Apply heat, side to side motion, and as you're applying heat, you're going to use your microfiber towel. You could just use your hand and do the same step that we did here. Just apply a little bit of pressure as you go to help remove and seal the edges. So for the next piece, it's going to cover this edge of the tail light. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to start by lining it, same thing as how we did it here, on this edge. And everything should just fall into place once you align it. So as you can see, all you need to do is just help it tack down and you should be good. So right there on the edge should be good. Lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it stays aligned, it doesn't shift. Grab your squeegee, hold it in position, and slowly tack it down to secure. Tack down as you go. Help bring down the fingers. Help it around the curve. And just tack it down. So once we secured the film, the last thing to do is to apply heat all around where we did the installation. That way we help the adhesive on this section of the tail light activate faster, and also we seal all of this edge since the film is overlapping with the first tint that was installed. Okay, so now we're moving on with this section of the tail light. So with this one, it is a two-piece installation. So for the first piece, we're going to apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we need to make sure we align it on this section first. You may have just a little bit of film overlapping to this side as well. So just have it aligned up right here, right before the curve. If you try to install it right on the curve, you're going to have a hard time tacking the film down. So just align it right on the flat surface right here, before the curve. So lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath the film, keep it aligned, spray it on top, grab your squeegee, and tack it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Make sure this stays secure. And now this section here, we're just going to lift it and make sure to keep it aligned up to the edge right here. Okay, so just have it there, hold it, apply tack solution with your squeegee, just finish securing the rest of the film. You will see that you may have this small little finger here. This small little finger, in order to remove it, we will do the same steps as how we did it here. Just apply a little bit of heat, use your microfiber towel, and apply just a little bit of pressure like that. Now to seal all the edge all around the film and also remove this finger, just apply tack solution to the film, apply heat evenly throughout the entire tint, and then as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel to help seal, hold it in for a couple seconds, and it'll also help remove any solution on the edges. Okay, so now for the last piece that covers this section of the tail light. Same process, apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, just overlap the film to where we left off here. So just follow the body line here. Make sure it stays aligned here. Follow the body line. And everything should just sit into place right here. And right here you are going to notice that the tail light has this small design here. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath here, that way you don't have any bubbles trapped when you apply heat. Tack everything down, remove all of the solution, and then from here just help it tack down on the curved edge here. If you do have small fingers, we could remove them with heat, like how we did it on this end here. But right now, just make sure to remove as much of the solution as you can. Before we finish, make sure to seal this section here. If you pass your finger, you are going to notice, since it's not sealed, the film catches onto your finger. So make sure you seal all around the tint. That way it doesn't lift over time. So to seal it, just apply tack solution onto the lens. Grab your heat gun, use the low setting. Same process, apply heat evenly, and then we're just going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film. If you need to hold it in position for a couple seconds, you can, maybe like 3 to 5 seconds. That way the film starts tacking down to the edge. Okay, so now we're focusing on the middle section of the tail light. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. With this one, you are going to notice that there's a design in the middle section of the tail light. So this curve here, start by aligning it right in the middle here where the backup camera is located. Once we have it centered, we're going to grab our tack solution, lift the film carefully, and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it stays aligned, hold it in position and tack it down. So secure this whole middle section first, and then once we secure it, we could work away from one end and then the other way. It doesn't really matter where you go, just make sure wherever you start, remove all of the bubbles as you go, keep it aligned, and just tack it down. So in order for you to move the film around, if it does get dry, just apply slip solution again, and make sure to have it aligned. All of this here, make sure it's being covered here as well. Align it to the edge here. Lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath and on top. Hold it in position here. And as you're installing the tint, make sure everything still stays aligned as you go. So if you need to readjust it, you can. So it's always important to double check your work to make sure everything stays aligned. So once you finish installing this section of the tint to the tail light, we need to make sure to remove any fingers that we may encounter on the bottom and maybe on the top section, depending. And to remove those fingers, apply tack solution to the tail light. And we're just going to go all around wherever those fingers are located, making sure we help tack down the film. Remove the fingers slowly, and then just same steps as how we did it with the other tail light on this side. Grab your microfiber towel, apply heat. Use your microfiber towel, hold it in position for 3 to 5 seconds, and that should help secure the film. So for the last piece, same process as how we did it with the bottom section. Just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure it's not touching the ground or anywhere else on the vehicle. So as you can see, it goes slanted up. That goes in line towards this edge here. So start from either or, it doesn't really matter. Start from either end. Lift the film carefully, apply tack solution, and start tagging it down to secure it. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post the entire tint. So just apply tack solution all over the tint. And we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel that was worked on. So apply it all over the curved edges, anywhere where the fingers were located, all around the tail light basically. So that concludes the Taillight Tint installation for the Kia K5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.